Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In continuation with answering the questions, the question says, this is with reference to interest and insurance, which is forbidden. I 100% agree with Allah's Hadith and Sharia, but how about Saudi countries who are known for following Islamic principles? They have insurance companies seen by Muslims, and these are in paper cuttings where fatwa is given by ulama that insurance is acceptable in Islam. Can you explain? Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. Let's make Islam principles a little simple. We follow Allah and Rasul. If Allah and Rasul is clear, if the teachings of Allah and Rasul is clear, then we don't need to listen to anybody else. Saudi seems to be following Islamic principles. We are not supposed to be following Saudi Arabia or newspaper cuttings which are coming from Saudi Arabia, or fatwas given by ulama who do not understand international finance and the insurance industry. I'll give you a simple statement. Allah says that He is the one who is your protector. If He wants to protect you, no one can harm you. And if He wants to harm you, no one can protect you. But what does the insurance industry say? When some harm comes to you, we will be there as standby protection for you. If this is not a statement of shirk, then what is? I don't know. Allah is the giver of wealth. Allah is also the taker of wealth. So when Allah gives you good times, you say, I believe in Allah. When Allah wants to give you bad times, you say you want to believe in the insurance company to save you at that time? The concept of deen is simple and beautiful. And the Quran says there is a character called Shaitan who will mislead you from the teachings of Allah. And Allah says, whoever follows Shaitan will go to the fires of hell like Shaitan. And these ulamas who are doing Shaitan's bidding by saying that interest is halal, the industries which are based on interest are halal, are the servants of Dajjal. We have to go back and catch on to the Quran and Sunnah. We are listening to everyone's whatever because we do not know what Allah has said in the Quran. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to anyone. First go read the Quran and understand it. Then you will see these are the basic things that Allah is talking about in the Quran. Yes, there are other things in the Quran which are very complicated, which we need our ulamas for. And the ulamas are needed and need to be followed. As Allah says in the Quran, follow me, follow my Rasul, and follow those people in authority. The people in authority, my friends, brothers and sisters, are the people who will lead you according to the Quran and Sunnah. We need them also. But if someone is going to tell you that riba is halal and tomorrow riba is halal because it's called Islamic banking is giving it, then la ikhra fid din. There is no compulsion in religion. Do what you want. The right path has been made clear from the wrong path. And if you want to choose ignorance to follow that path, may Allah help you. Insurance companies are an institution which are based on the principles of interest. They take your little money every month and invest it on interest with other institutions. Other institutions pay them interest. And this is the return of interest which has been accumulated And then they take a system of lottery saying that, oh, we think so many people will not die today, or so many people will not get injured, so there won't be so many car accidents. So they play a game of hedging, which is a game of gambling. And this is basically what the insurance industry is doing. It is taking a mathematical calculation of risk. It is taking a game of chance with life. I hope I have answered your question. The best insurance is La ilaha illallah Muhammadan Rasulullah. Leave your life in Allah's hand and see the insurance that He gives you. See the premium He gives you. See the rewards that Allah gives you. Instead of us trying Allah's insurance, giving our hearts in Allah's hands and saying, Allah, save us, keep us protected and give us prosperity always. We want to go and hedge a bet against Allah, and then you want to see who's going to win. You think it's your insurance company. I hope this answers the question. Jazakallah.